This is a plie workout. We are starting the warm-up with some prances. I'm just lifting one heel, putting it down, and alternating. Just think of it as single leg calf raises. My name is Nina. I'm a certified personal trainer and strength and conditioning coach. Stand tall, shoulders back and down. Couple more. Go as high as you can on those toes. Really strengthening the calves, the ankles, working on posture and balance. Next exercise, we're going to do hip cleaners. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna balance on the standing leg, make sure it's bent, and you're gonna do these circle eights, okay? Really smooth, and you will notice that this leg is bending and straightening. So I'm going up and down. Now you may want to grab a chair, have a wall handy. These are really tough. These are definitely, see, a balance challenge. So if I'm not concentrating, I will fall over. But that's okay, you can just put that foot down, couple more. These are great for working those hips. All right, other side. It's a quick warm up. We'll get into the plie shortly. All right, starting with that bent knee. And we're gonna go, you'll see this knee goes way this way, and this foot goes back, and the toes, or I should say the foot is slightly pointed. I'm going down and up. Couple more. The next exercise we're gonna do is leg swings. And great, put that foot down, and you're just gonna lift and kick. So think about if you had grass on the floor and you're kicking it behind you. So you're not tightening, it shouldn't be a strengthening exercise. It's just a dynamic warm-up. So we're not holding, we're just moving in and out. All right, couple more. And other side. Don't think too much about this one. People think and then they get all rigid. This should feel good. You'll see ballet dancers doing this. Of course, their feet will be way up here. And you'll also see football players do this, and they'll have their hand up here and they try to kick the foot up to the hand. Not going that extreme today. We are beginners. Excellent. All right, we're gonna start the workout right now. Heels together, first position, hands on hips, and all you're gonna do is plie. So plie is just bending the knee. Don't try to go too far. We're gonna do 2 sets of 8. So I believe that's 6, 7, 8, and then 8 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, second position. Legs are wider. You're gonna rotate those hips. How you do that, and you just do a gentle squeeze in those glutes. That'll bring those hips back. And I want you to take your hands just on these few and bring them down the quads, the front of the legs, to push those legs back. They have a tendency to rotate inward, which are really bad for the knees. So let's do a couple more with the hands, really guiding those legs externally that way in the proper position. And one more. Now, if you want, you can keep the hands here rotating down. I'm going to just show you with my hands on my hips. This helps. When you have your hands on your hips, it really helps with the posture, and I'm pulling the shoulder blades together, which strengthens those back muscles. Great. And let's do 8 more. And 8. And then you can reposition those feet if you like. 7, 6, 5, 4. Just go as low as feels comfortable for you. 3, 2. Don't rush this. And 1. Excellent. All right. gonna do something a little bit advanced, or very advanced, but we're gonna modify it. So we start in our first position. Definitely want to have a bar or a chair for this one. So we go into our first position, rotate out. Now don't try to force that rotation. You'll put too much strain on those knees. So just go as where it feels comfortable for you. So I'm gonna go with a calf raise. So high up on those toes. And actually I'm gonna show you with here. So I'm gonna pretend like I'm holding the bar or the chair. And I'm going to go down, 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 not too low. And go all the way up, and a mini plie. That really works the quadriceps. You'll feel that wonderful burn. Let's do 3 more. We're gonna start with 4, down, down, down. Pulling those shoulder blades back. That will help me stay upright and not tip forward. See, that one was a bit better. And 3. So those shoulders, the elbows are up, I should say. Down, down, down. I'm gonna do a little pause at the bottom and up. 1 more. Yeah, the heart rate is going up. These burn more calories, more muscles are recruited in this exercise. And excellent, great. You can shake that out. Okay, grab some water if you have it handy. If not, go grab some water. You should always drink water throughout your workouts. You want to be hydrated. It'll make you feel better. It'll make you work harder. It'll help you with weight loss. Flush everything out. Makes your skin prettier. Water's awesome. All right, first position. All right, from here, we're going to do a plie, but then we're gonna raise on our toes, do a calf raise. 1, excellent. 2, 3, really go as high as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 more. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Excellent. So we're going to go to the side of our mat and we're going to do our second position plies, and we're going to add movement. We're going to go side to side. All right, so 1 together, 2 together, 3, 4, 5, my back is straight. 6, I'm looking straight ahead. 7, and 8, and let's do 8 more. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, got 2 left, and 1 more. All right, we're gonna practice those grand plies again. Now, if you want to use one arm, you'll have one hand on the bar or your chair, and you can work the other arm. You're welcome to try that right now. So let's do, so maybe you'll be here, right? All right, so I'll use the arms as well. So we're gonna go high up on those toes, and I'm gonna go out and down. 2, 3. My body's saying, okay, I know this one now. Makes it easier for me on the second set, but you may feel those quads burning a little bit more. All right, excellent. Okay, go back to our first position. Okay, now we're gonna add arms to our plie in the first position. So we're gonna go here and here. Great. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. 8. Down, down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's go into our second position. This time we're going to stay in place, but we're going to add the arms. We're going to use swan arms this time. So how it looks is you'll go from here and here. Okay? Ready? And we'll start. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to reposition my feet. 6, 7, 8. And second set of 8. And 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one. Excellent. All right. Are you ready for the grand plies? Okay, heels together, rotating everything, standing up tall. Now, if you were using the arm on the other side, make sure to switch arms. All the way down. Here we go. And 2, let's go for 8. And 3. And 4. Let's go with arms all the way up. 5. Ooh, that's challenging. And 6. 7. Last one. And 8. I'm going to pause at the bottom and up and plie. Great job. Do a quick stretch. Stretch out those calves. Lean forward. Make sure that back heel is pressed firmly into the ground. Toes are pointed forward. And then really tighten up the glute, the calf. You'll feel it stretch a little bit more. Let's switch sides. Always stretch. Always do these static stretches where you're holding at the end of your workout. The old school way of doing it before is actually harmful. You always want to do the static holding stretches at the end. Okay, excellent. Let's do a quad stretch. You can grab your chair or your bar. This is balance. A lot of people do this like this. Notice that my leg is straight. Nope. Bend and bend. Now this is harder. Your body does not want to do this, so it'll make you taller and make you stand straight because it doesn't want to work, because this works the quadriceps muscles a lot more. It's tougher. Yeah. All right. And lower with control, using those hamstrings, the back of the leg. Other side. Balance. Trying to bring that heel to my butt. Bending. Shoulder back. Now, make sure this knee is not out here, and then it doesn't have to touch, but it should be in line. If you want a more of a balanced challenge, you can try to grab with both hands and maybe go a little bit deeper in your single leg squat. Okay, let's do a figure 4 stretch. So you probably want to hold your chair, but if you want to try it by challenging your balance, foot over, hinging back, leaning back. Right, great. You'll feel this in the glutes. We're strengthening, or I should say we're stretching our glutes out right now. So if your knee's up here, try to get about 90 degrees. This foot is slightly flexed. My back is flat, it's not rounded. And then other side. All right. And go down with control. So I'm making sure I'm concentrating on this knee so that it is straight, it's not wobbling inward. And I'm just going as low as my body says to go. Always listen to your body, especially when it comes to stretches. You don't want to overdo it. All right, hamstring stretch. Flex the foot, take your torso, put it in line with that straight leg. Now instead of grabbing or reaching with those arms, which rounds the upper back, which also puts strain on the lower back and stretches the lower back. We do not want to do that. We want to stretch the hamstring. So I prefer, try this with me. Hands on your hips and just lean instead with those hands, but with your chin looking at those toes, maybe pushing those hips a little bit further back. Let me know if you feel your hamstrings more if you try this technique. So I'm going to tap that foot down, bend the knee, I'm going to roll up. Excellent. Other side. So first I'm hinging, then I'm rotating my torso in line, and then trying to flex the foot a little bit more and seeing if I can do more of a stretch, not too much, just so I can feel it. Tap the foot down, bend the knee, roll up. Excellent. Shoulder rolls back and down. I have several other ballet bar inspired workouts on my channel, and the one that I think that you want to check out is called Bar Fusion. I'll link that to the end card. And just shake out those feet. And if your goal is fat loss, then I definitely suggest getting rid of the dairy. Don't eat any dairy, don't consume it at all, and then reduce or eliminate the oils. If you get rid of majority of your fats, not all of them, but most of them, we don't need very much fat in our diet. You will definitely lose those extra pounds. I eat a low-fat diet, and if you want to check out my recipes, what I eat, my program, it's called the High Five Diet, and you can check that out on my website. So hope to see you soon.